welcome class 5. It's me, Miss Kanis Fatma from the Educator Farukulas campus, and I'm your science teacher, you know me. Today is 17 December 2020 and day Thursday. Class, we always start our class by the name of the Allah Almighty. So recite the dua with me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wala tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Ameen summa ameen. Class, our topic is safety and first aid. About the safety you have learned before through our Zoom class and video class. Today I am going to tell you about the first aid. First aid is the first help which we provide the wounded or ill or sick person. We should remember some points before giving the first aid. Which point? First, we have to be the calm when an accident happened. We very much worried. We become very much worried. So first we have to calm ourselves, and we have to know the injury, which type of injury and the cause of the injury, and after that be quick for the first aid. We shouldn't delay for giving the first aid, and before giving the first aid, be quick for send the doctor, and don't do if you don't know about the giving the first aid. If you don't know, you shouldn't do anything. Class, according to the injury, we use the first aid box. If the poisonous substance we should use the bandage and tie the wound, and we should stop the flow of the blood or the circulation of the blood. If we get any sort of the cut, first we use the tincture and the neat and clean cotton, and after that we use the new bandage. Now class, when we get any sort of the fracture, suddenly what we should do, use any stick and keep at the place and band it with the bandage. What happened for this? Your hand or the fracture body will not move. When it's move, it can cause the more injury. Now class, if we burn from the chemical, so what we do? We suddenly use the water and start washing the area, the affected area, with plenty of the water. Now if any insect bite you, what you will do? Suddenly use the ice cube and rub the affected area. Now if the dog bite you, what will happen? It's very dangerous. The saliva of the dog has so many germs. When the dog bite, and because of this dog saliva, so many germs enter it. What we should? We immediately use the soap and wash the wound and use lots of the water. After that, use any antiseptic lotion and tie the hand or the affected area. Chapter Safety and the First Aid, page number 54. Topic First Aid. First aid is the first step which given the wounded person. Before, what we should do is stay calm. Find out the type of the injury. Be quick and wash hand before giving the first aid. Send for the doctor if it's required. Don't do more if you know. Phenolphthalein ball, nail polish, detergent and extra are the poisonous if swallowed. These should be kept out of the reach of the children. In the case of the poisoning, make the victim rise in his mouth and rush him to the doctor. Nose bleeding. In the case of the nose bleeding, we should loosen the cloth and up the head. In the case of the fracture, I have told you, first we use the any stick and we use any bandage or the any cloth and hold the hand or the affected area. Burning the chemical, burning of the if the burned by the chemical, we use the plenty of the water and wash out the chemical. Animal bite, if insect bite, use the ice cube. And the dog bite, what, use the soap and water and bandage the area and use the any antiseptic lotion and cream. Snake bite, if a person is bitten by the poisonous snake, what should we do? First we rush to the hospital and tie the bandage around the affected area, just like this. And why we are banding the affected area? Because it's slow down the spreading of the poison in the body. Class, your homework. What is your homework? Question number 5, question number 6, 7 and 8 is your homework. Question number 5. What first aid will you give in the following cases? Fracture, burning for the chemicals, nose bleeding, dog bite and the snake bite. Question number 6. Why should a fire caused by the petrol never be put off with water? Question number 7. Define the following terms: first aid, fracture, fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, splint. Question number 8. Write 4 things that one should remember before giving the first aid. Class, you have already made the data page. Now your homework, exercise A, question number 5, 6, 7, 8, page number 56. If you have any problem, when we will meet in the Zoom class, we will try to solve it. Till then, Allah Hafiz.